Artificial intelligence is changing our world. We have AI that can learn and solve problems. Now there's a new kind of AI, generative AI. Generative AI can create things. It can make images, music, and even text. Imagine a computer that can write a poem or paint a picture. That's what generative AI can do. It learns from existing data, like books or paintings. Then it uses this knowledge to create something new. Generative AI is different from traditional AI. Traditional AI analyzes information. It can recognize patterns and make predictions. Generative AI takes a step further. It uses information to create something original. Generative AI uses powerful algorithms. One type is called a neural network. Neural networks are inspired by the human brain. They have layers of interconnected nodes. These nodes process information. They learn from data and make connections. During training, a generative AI model learns patterns. It understands the relationships between different data points. For example, imagine training a generative AI on thousands of cat pictures. The model would learn the features of a cat. It would understand the shape of its ears, eyes, and tail. Then, it could generate new, unique images of cats. Generative AI has many applications. In art, it can create stunning images and music. It can help artists explore new styles and ideas. In entertainment, generative AI can generate realistic characters and stories. This technology is also transforming healthcare. Generative AI can help develop new drugs and therapies. It can analyze medical images to aid in diagnosis. Generative AI offers many benefits. It can boost creativity and innovation. It can automate tasks and improve efficiency. However, there are also risks to consider. One concern is the potential for misuse. Generative AI could be used to create fake news or deepfakes. These are manipulated videos that look real but are not. Ethical considerations are also important. We need to ensure that generative AI is used responsibly. As with any powerful technology, a balanced approach is crucial. Generative AI has the potential to revolutionize many fields. By understanding its capabilities and limitations, we can harness its power for good.